10 craziest ways to make $100 online. Who says you can't make $100 a day by staying home? Believe it or not, $100 a day can be a good start with the methods I'm gonna show you in this video today. And guess what? We will discuss 10 new and genuine creative methods of making $100 a day that are all tried and tested. You don't have to watch ads or perform hell boring tasks to get your first dollars in hand. But before getting into it, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Watch it till the end so you may not miss any money-making ideas that can get you lots of money for real. 1. Notion. The Notion is a great platform where you can manage the whole workflow of your business by just using this one platform. Businesses use it to schedule various tasks, keep track of records, and save critical data. But how you can make money out of it is the main question. You can help businesses create their whole setup on this fantastic platform and charge anywhere between $70 to $100. Or you can take charge of managing one of the tasks like office manual setup or organizing employee directories. 2. Respondents.io. Respondents.io is another money-earning application where you are offered hourly extended interviews and surveys about a particular subject matter. In return, you get paid in dollars for the whole session. If you are selected for more sessions as an expert, you can easily make $100 a day from the comfort of your home. 3. Media Profile Optimization. If you know SEO optimization on a basic level, then you can make your first $100 by optimizing the social media profiles of professionals and companies. This method of earning money is newly introduced and the competition is relatively low but is getting increasingly popular as everyone wants to be noticed on media platforms. You can find clients on LinkedIn and Fiverr for this particular service. 4. Sell photos online. Do you have a knack for photography? If so, you can easily make $100 a day by selling your photos online. There are several different sites like Shutterstock and Pixabay where you can upload and sell your photos, and with the proper marketing, you can reach a large audience of potential buyers. 5. Teach your mother tongue. You have heard about online tutoring a lot, so why not give it a try? Of course, you are proficient in your mother tongue, and it's an excellent chance to earn $100 a day without putting effort into learning a new skill or language. Start teaching your mother tongue on the most extensive online platforms like Preply or Tutorm.com. 6. Selling food. If people love eating your cooked food, you can sell it straight from your kitchen by signing up on different online food delivery applications like Foodpanda, HungerStation, and many others. This way you can easily generate $100 a day. 7. Earn by working in night hours. Online businesses must stay online 24/7 so that none of their customers are missed. You can earn money by helping businesses stay online after working hours and responding to customers' queries. You should target small businesses or startups, as established businesses already have VAs for this purpose. 8. Offer consulting services. If you have experience in a particular field, you can start offering your services as a consultant. This could involve anything from giving business advice to helping people with their personal finances. As long as you have the knowledge and expertise people are looking for, you can quickly start making $100 a day or more. 9. Rewards. Rewards is an online money-making application you can use to generate $100 a day. This app allows you to earn via different methods. You can play games, refer the app to others, accomplish different tasks, and take surveys to get paid. 10. Schedule appointments for others. Scheduling appointments online is a great way to generate a good amount of money as your pocket money. You can use Jetup or other similar apps to schedule virtual meetings or appointments for your clients by staying at home. With this, we must call our video off. I am sure you have got a crazy idea out and you plan to make your first $100 immediately. But before that, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get such fantastic content first. Like the video and share it with money enthusiasts in your circle. Till next time, take good care of yourself. Goodbye and happy earning.